Sometimes active ingredients can, conflict with each other. So today we're going to talk about the do's and don'ts of mixing products. Hi, I'm Irene Martins from Beauty by Code, and I am here to help you find the code behind your skin. So welcome to my channel. Serums are power-packed solutions with highly active concentrated ingredients. So it's best not to layer them too much, but if you must, let's see how you can go about it in the best possible way. Let's start with niacinamide. Niacinamide is also known as vitamin B3, and it's a water-soluble vitamin commonly used in skincare products. It's the key ingredient in serums that promise you to improve the appearance of the skin by addressing concerns like acne, uneven skin tone, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Honestly, it's almost like a one-stop solution, but it can't do all the work itself, which is why people tend to pair other products with niacinamide. But is that okay? Well, let me tell you, yes, the answer is yes.
Come on, dance with it, come on, rock with it, come on, move with it, come on, bump with it, come on, rock with it, come on, wiggle with it, what up,
It's perfectly safe to use vitamin C, no, not vitamin C, oh my God, vitamin A and niacinamide together in your skincare routine. In fact, these two ingredients can complement each other and provide, I will say, like additional benefits when they are used together. Vitamin A, also known as retinol, it's a powerful antioxidant that helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and it provides your skin with a better texture and tone. A side note, if you are new to vitamin A, you need to start with small amounts and then you will build up gradually, because it can cause you a lot of irritation for some people. The great thing about niacinamide is that it complements almost every other serum out there. It's honestly is a very versatile ingredient. For example, if you are using a serum with hyaluronic acid, adding niacinamide can help you boost your hydration even more. Hyaluronic acid is great for plumping up the skin and making it look like more hydrated. But niacinamide can also help, strengthen your skin barrier, which helps to, keep the moisture in. Good combo. It also works well with other acids like AHA and BHAs, which are great for exfoliating your skin, but they can also be a bit harsh, by the way. So if you have sensitive skin, you need to be careful. Overall, like seriously, niacinamide, it's a great ingredient to have in your skincare routine because it works well with almost everything. Yeah. If you're new to niacinamide, again, start with a lower concentration, I would say like 5%. This way you can see how your skin reacts, and then you can work your way up to a higher concentration, like 10%. I know that some people out there, their skin doesn't like niacinamide, and it's a product that is in almost every single skincare product nowadays, okay? So if you're new, just, test and see how your skin reacts. What else? You also want to use it with a moisturizer, as it can help strengthen your skin barrier and keep your skin hydrated. Use it both. Yes, you can use it in the morning and in the evening. And if you are stepping into the sun, make sure that you put on sunscreen first, because niacinamide can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Okay, so now take the quiz in the description box and like and subscribe. It's going to help me a lot. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here with me today. Bye for now.